How to assemble a printable centerpiece for beginners. First, I printed my pages on thick, heavyweight, glossy photo paper. I like to use thick photo paper for my centerpieces. It gives it a professional quality and also great if I'm making standing characters. If you've got a ton of cutting to do, make sure you're using a good pair of scissors. These super sharp scissors I got from Costco for less than $15 and came in a set of 3. I hot glue my cutouts to candy sticks, and I'm always using various sizes in the sticks so I can create multiple depths in my centerpiece. To make your centerpieces double-sided, make sure your elements are either symmetrical or a mirrored image is provided. If you're making your pieces double-sided, I use pop dots to attach the two sides together. Only remove the paper off the pop dots after you've hot glued and aligned the other side. You can also use strips of cardboard. I regularly recycle my boxes by using my paper slicer to cut them into strips. You don't technically need to do this step, but it gives it a professional, even-sided finish. Okay, these pieces are done. And finally, the base. I like to use heavier bases for my centerpieces, but if you're using a lightweight gift bag or cardboard box, make sure you put something heavy on the bottom if you are having an outdoor party. For the last step, you just need to cover up that foam. I use my paper shredder to recycle my scraps of colored cardstock, but there's lots of basket fillers you can find at the Dollar Tree, or just use some colored tissue paper. I hope this helped you today. Let me know in the comments. And remember, you are epic.